Do you remember? A time when energy was boundless, curiosity your guide, and the world shimmered with magic? When connection was a warm embrace, and bliss was found in playful engagement, in simply being. Do you remember? But look around. Can you see the disconnection, the loneliness, the pain that permeates this world? The hate, the division, the endless striving for something more that always seems out of reach. Unalome Project is the remembrance of that time, of that space within. It is a promise to return there, to recreate the world in that image, one awakened soul at a time. The path to awakening is not linear. It's a spiral, an unalome. A wild, twisting journey that forces you to confront your shadows and leap into the abyss of the unknown. This is not an easy task, nor is it for everyone. But the possibility exists, and that is reason enough to give it our best, to lead the thought, to change the game. This is our possibility. Unalome Project.